Right, here's the unboxing of the SJ4000. This is the, I guess you could say, GoPro copy. And yeah, well, let's see what's in the box. As you can see, the camera, and it's like a whole lot of accessories for a few different things. Replacement back case on the waterproof case there. Get some straps, Velcro straps to pin it down to things. There also seems to be some sort of holding device in there as well. Some more things, accessories, clip it to your belt. One for clipping it up to be up in your car or put on a tripod stand. Another like tripod or two stands there. Some more accessory holding devices. Another one that's on there pretty much. Zip ties, clean cloth, and 3M double-sided tape and a metal thing to hold on accessories to the camera. The manual, really it's just a lot of pictures telling you about the camera, etc. If I go ahead and take the camera out, there's the on button on the front, the zoom in and out if you want to do that, the OK button on the top, and also the recording button. We go ahead and turn it on, and as you can see it says welcome, and you can see